Donia. And today we are going to eat. To eat?
Read.
To read. Not to eat, but because it's about food. It makes me feel hungry. We are going to read a book.
But we said eat, not read.
Yeah, that's about the Korean kitchen. And it's called Bee-bim Bop. Bee-bim Bop. Do you know what does Bee-bim Bop mean?
No.
Me too. Let's see. And it's by Linda Sue Park and illustrated by Hu Bakley.
Oh, what's that food?
There is some food here. Do you recognize any?
Yeah, this is rice and egg, and this is beef. And this is carrots, and this is leaf.
Yeah, that's some leafy vegetables. We can't know unless we read. That's green onion?
Green onion, yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it up.
There's more. Let's see.
Wow, why are they not going?
Let's see. Almost time for supper. Rushing to the store. Mama buys the groceries. More, Mama, more. Do we have a rhyme? Store, more? Hurry, Mama, hurry. Gotta shop, shop, shop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bee-bim Bop. Home and in the kitchen, eggs to stir and fry. Mama catch the spatula, flip the eggs high.
There's no flipping.
She's flipping the eggs.
No, she's not. I don't know because it said down here.
Yeah, because that's a picture. It's not a video.
No.
No. See? What's happening here?
Eggs.
It's flipping. Okay. Hurry, Mama, hurry. Gotta flip, flip, flop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bee-bim Bop. Rice is on the boil, bubbling in the pot. White and sticky, lickety, steaming good and hot. Hurry, flurry, rice, gotta pop, pop, pop. Hungry, hungry, hungry for some Bee-bim Bop. They're waiting for the rice to cook and they're smelling it and they're enjoying the smell. Mama's knife is shiny, slicing fast and neat. Garlic and green onions, skinny strips of meat. Hurry, Mama, hurry, gotta chop, chop, chop. Hungry, very hungry for some Bee-bim Bop. Do we know what's the Bee-bim Bop until now? No. Let's see. Spinach, sprouts, and carrots. Each goes in a pan. Let me pour the water in. Yes, I know I can.
But it's fell down.
Oopsie, it spilled the water. She spilled the water on the floor. Sorry, Mama, sorry. Gotta mop, mop, mop. Hurry, hungry in a hurry for some Bee-bim Bop.
Again?
Again.
Why?
We will see. Bowls go on the table. Big ones striped in blue. I help set the glasses out, spoons and chopsticks too.
Chopsticks? What?
Yes, because this is about the Korean cuisine and they use chopsticks to eat. Let's see. Hurry, family, hurry. Gotta hop, hop, hop. Dinner's on the table and it's Bee-bim Bop. Quiet for a moment. Papa says the grace. Everybody says amen. A smile on every face.
No.
Rice goes in the middle. Eggs goes right on top. Mix it like crazy. Is she mixing it like crazy? Time for Bee-bim Bop. And the end, they're eating and enjoying it. So what's Bee-bim Bop?
I don't know.
You want to try to say it? Let's try and say it. Bee-bim Bop.
Bee-bim Bop.
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 Is it funny?
I'm not gonna say it.
Let's try again. Bop.
Bump.
Bop.
Bop.
Yes. So what is Bee-bim Bop?
I don't know.
It's a popular Korean dish,
Yeah.
and bop is the Korean word for rice.
Yeah.
So it means rice. Bop is rice. How about bee and bim?
I don't know.
Bee and bim is a nonsense sound meaning mix mix. So
Yes.
what's Bee-bim Bop? It's mix rice.
It's mixed rice and cheese.
No, there is no cheese in this dish. But they did put so many vegetables and food inside, right? We are going to attach the recipe for you if you want to try it. As an activity, you can ask your kids, did we see some vegetables inside?
Yeah.
Yes, let's see what did they put in their Bee-bim Bop.
Then
Okay, so let's look here. What do we have?
garlic,
Garlic,
and this is
onion,
onion,
and that's green onion.
green onion. This is the one of carrots.
Carrots. Okay, let's see if they have this more clear in the other page.
Egg.
Egg. Is egg a vegetable?
No.
No. Eggs come from hen, right? It's in the protein category. When we looked at the Food Canada guide, we said eggs are proteins. Yes. And let's look more. How about rice? What is rice and where do rice come from?
I don't know.
You don't know. So rice comes from a grass. There is a long grass that they have seeds, and these seeds are rice. So rice comes from plants, and they plant them in wet puddles, and there is almost more than 40,000 kinds of rice around the world. That's too many. Yes. So rice comes from plants, okay? How about, yeah, we said these vegetables. How about, what do we see here?
This is
The beef?
beef.
Does it come from plants?
No.
No, it comes from cows.
Yeah.
So if we look at this dish, it has vegetables, it has the proteins from the beef and from the eggs, and also the fat that comes in the beef and also the eggs, and then the rice, although rice is from plants, although rice is from plants, but it is starchy, so it's in the carbohydrates. So this dish is complete. It has carbohydrates, it has proteins, and it has the fat. Yum yum. And now I'm so hungry. How about you?
No.
You're not hungry? I am. Okay. You okay? If you prepared this recipe and you enjoyed it, don't forget to stamp your Food Explorer passport, and you can draw the dish or you can draw the Korean flag. And me and Jude are going to prepare a Korean drink together.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes. I want to do it.
Yes, it's a
Yes,
Korean
yes,
banana
I want
milk.
to do it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Okay. So we have the ingredients now in front of us. Jude, do you want to tell our friends what do we need for the Korean banana milk?
Yes.
Half
Water.
cup of water,
Half cup of milk.
half cup of milk,
1 banana.
and 1 banana. And it's optional. You can add 1 drop of pure vanilla extract, and the recipe says to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, but I think because the banana is so ripe, we will not add any maple syrup as sweetener. Okay, Jude, you want to put them inside?
Yes.
Okay. You want to start with the water?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what are you going to add next?
Yeah.
1 banana, dump them in.
On?
Yes,
Like my hand? No?
dump them in.
Mash.
Okay, and now let's add half a cup of milk.
Half a cup of milk.
Half a cup of milk. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna close the blender, blend them, and then you will enjoy this lovely drink.
Drink is ready.
Are you excited to try?
Yes.
Okay, give me your cup. This looks delicious. This almost makes 2 cups. And let's see. This is so nutritious also. Do you mind stopping and tell us what do you think? What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, what are we going to tell our friends?
That's for today.
Eat well.
Eat us soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.